From the Rutgers WeatherWatcher studio, here's your Rutgers campus weather forecast.
Good afternoon, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWatcher Chitral Samala giving you an update on today's afternoon forecast for Friday, October 29th. As we take a look at what's happening right now in New Brunswick, we have overcast skies and at a temperature of 56 degrees and at a dew point of 49 degrees and humidity at 78% and winds coming out of the northeast at about 10 miles an hour. Looking at our current temperatures across much of the Garden State, we have a warm spot here at about 63 degrees up in Wildwood, and then a cool spot here in Sussex at about 53 degrees, and then inland areas we're ranging anywhere between 57 in Millville and then 60 up in Mount Holly. As we look at our headlines across the state, we are expecting rain moving in this afternoon, which will linger into Sunday morning, that is Halloween, and then weather will improve across much of the day on Sunday, and sunny skies are expected across much of the week as we move in. Looking at our watches and warnings, we have coastal flood warnings across much of southern New Jersey and into mid-Atlantic regions, but we do have coastal flood advisories in portions of New Brunswick and into Long Island, New York. Looking at our radar and satellite, we do have some precipitation entering in the Garden State, but much of our precipitation is west of the state in towards Pennsylvania, Maryland, and in towards Delaware. And as we expand our radar and satellite into the greater part of our country, we have this giant system right here that'll infiltrate into portions of our area as we progress into tonight and into tomorrow, but generally clear across the midsections of our country, despite a few clouds and some rain across the Pacific Northwest. Looking at our futurecast, we are anticipating some heavy rains coming in at about 8 o'clock this evening, but as we progress forward into Saturday, into the early hours of Saturday, that's when that rain will finally push out of our area, and the most heaviest rain is probably going to be impacting into portions of New England and Massachusetts and Connecticut. And as we move on and into Sunday, that's where we have mostly overcast conditions, but as we look into Sunday evening and Sunday afternoon, that is where we will see some clearer conditions. Looking at our rainfall total, we have anywhere ranging from a half an inch of rain and into a bullseye of almost 2 inches here in Millville and into southwestern portions of New Jersey. Looking at our day planner, we are anticipating some showers and some rain and wind as we progress into the evening hours. And then as we look into tonight, we are anticipating some rain and windy conditions, winds coming out of the east at about 15 to 25 miles an hour, and temperatures ranging anywhere between 48 degrees to 60 degrees up towards southern portions of New Jersey. And as we take a look at our scarecast forecast for Halloween this Sunday, we are looking at a night of 46 degrees and mostly clear, not mostly clear, but not a lot of precipitation, but some partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. And as we take a look at our 7-day forecast for the remainder of the week and in towards the weekend, we are anticipating some rain in towards tomorrow and then clear skies and not much precipitation on Sunday. But as we begin our work week in towards Monday through Wednesday, that's where we have mostly sunny conditions. But as we conclude the week, that's where we have a chance of showers coming into Thursday and into Friday. With that being said, you can follow us you can follow us here, Weather Watchers, on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube at Weather Watchers to get up-to-date forecasts on the days ahead. Thank you for listening, Rutgers. I hope you have a great Friday and happy Halloween.